The guide brings us to those places that you normally don't cover in your own visit to Little India. This current celebration is done in a very big scale. You must sign up fast because high demand.
Some of our own Indian cultures we know better, but other race is an opportunity for them to know better, and also it's a kind of interesting for them to find out the hidden talents also.
This Tanjore art painting activity, it was really fun. It also helps us understand a bit more about Indian culture, which sometimes we forget in everyday life, but Deepavali is a great occasion to celebrate and learn some traditional art techniques like this one.
It's important for the children to connect with other cultures and other traditions that are differently from ours back home. There's a lot of interesting activities downstairs for the kids. She loves it. It's the second time we're coming.
I also must thank the Indian Heritage Centre for organising it. Well done and keep up the good work.
I recommend people to come here, especially when there's such demo. Either arts or food, definitely come over.
Would you recommend your friends to come here?
Yes.
Yeah.